guys, so in today's video you will not be able to see my face, but yeah, in today's video, I'm back from Residential. In today's video, I thought I'd do a little special. I haven't got any more subs or anything, I just thought I wanted to do a special. So I will be changing the color of my slime, my yellow slime, okay? But you guys are probably like, how are you changing the color? I did this on YouTube. I don't know if it will work, but I got my pencil case here and I'm going to poke it with colourful felt tips and then mix it and it change colors. I like felt tips to it and it should I put the slime in there. It's a very pokey slime. It's not watery. So now I just need to wait for it to settle. And I'll be back when it's settled. So the slime is settled. I have loads more slimes, but I thought I'd change the color of the slime to a color that I haven't got yet. So I might try a red and a purple, but first I'll try a red. The purple might make it red. So what you do, you grab your pen. These are nails. It's gonna take a long time. Alright, so I done a little more dots in a middle marks now. I'm gonna see if this is enough to mix it into that. I'm only using one hand. Hold on, I'll try and find a better camera place. Alright, so this camera place is really dark, but it doesn't matter because the slime makes it a bit more lighter and you only need to see the mix of the slime. That's all you really need to see. So yeah. Starting to see it like come out from the edge and stuff. It's gonna take a lot of poking and scrubbing and stuff to get it all. I might color it in a bit like I am doing now. Probably can see that, I'm not sure. But yeah. Sorry, it's like really dark. I'm ruining my faux tips for you guys. Yeah, I'm ruining my faux tips for you guys. I spend money on you guys. I really do. Yeah, that would. Yeah. I don't know if this really works though, because the person that done it, she done it with clear slime. And she did do it red, but her slime was clear, and clear is much easier because you can see through it. I really don't think this will work, guys. I'll be back when I've had a little more mixing and I've added it some more and I've made it as red as I can. I'll be back. Alright, so I've left the marker on top of the slime expecting it to like leak out on the slime. So it'll be like much more red and then I can mix it together. That is in the pot. So let's just wait for that to be done. Okay. Meanwhile I'm waiting, I thought I might show you my shampoo slime that I made. Unfortunately I couldn't film it because I don't know why, but yeah, it's processing. It's not done completely yet. I'll just try and show you. One shampoo. That's pretty good. But yeah, it looks so nice. It's not sticky at all. It's not really combining all of the noodles together because it is a quite big a clump. Making fun. Not sticky. Can you see that? Yeah, can you see that? It's fine. Okay, so now we're moving back on the water. Alright, so I haven't left it for too long. So check it again. And here is our purple to it, and I'm going to see what that does. Alright guys, so after a lot of poking process, I'm letting it settle for a minute, then I'm going to do some more poking. Alright guys, so it's finished processing. So hard to do on slime. Mix the face in. Alright guys, so after a couple of hours, I started realizing that it is impossible to do with colored slime. So I'm just going to let it settle for a bit, and then I'm going to do some poking and stretching and all that. But as you can see, it is started at like nice height. I have done a little bit of process, but yeah. I just wanted to say, I don't know something. But yeah, as I said, it's processing at the moment. It's like flattening, and then after, when it's really flat, I'll poke it, stretch it, and yeah. So see you guys until then. Alright, so because it was taking too long, I literally just stretched it out. I'm going to literally dig it. A lot of poking. Draw. Let it know. That's not a good one. But yeah, here is the slime. I will give you updates on this slime later on in the week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed